Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fast forward video in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Then import any video you want. Now select the video clip on the timeline by tapping on it. Once the video clip is selected, you will see various editing options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the speed option. Tap on the speed option and you will be presented with a slider that allows you to adjust the speed of the video. Slide it to the right to increase the speed. Now preview the video and make sure the speed adjustment is to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the speed change, export the video and save it. That's it, you have successfully fast forwarded video in CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.